You might be wondering, can I use Asana to manage consulting clients? Well, the short answer is yes, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it can transform the way you manage your consulting business. Stay tuned, because we'll dive into how to leverage Asana for client management, and I'll also share how you can get started for free with some exclusive bonuses. First, let's talk about Asana's task management capabilities. At the core, Asana allows you to create and assign tasks, which is perfect for managing client deliverables. Each task can be linked to a project, and you can track progress using simple features like due dates and priority levels. You'll never miss an important client deadline again. Next thing to consider is Asana's customizable project templates. Whether you're working on an ongoing project or something more specific to a client's needs, templates allow you to streamline your workflow. You can create templates for different types of consulting projects, making it easier to replicate successful setups each time. The third thing that makes Asana an excellent choice for consultants is its collaboration features. You can invite clients to view or comment on tasks without giving them access to everything in your workspace. This helps maintain privacy while keeping the client in a loop, especially for sharing feedback or progress updates. Next, Asana's timeline and calendar views are a game changer. When managing multiple clients, staying organized can be tricky, but Asana lets you visualize your workload through Gantt charts and calendar views. This makes it easy to track where each client project stands and how close you are to deadlines, ensuring you're always on top of things. The fifth thing to mention is Asana's integration with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and even time tracking apps. If you're using these tools for other aspects of your business, you can connect them seamlessly with Asana, creating a unified platform to handle everything. You can share documents, send updates, and even track your time without leaving Asana. Next, let's talk about client-specific reporting. As a consultant, you need to keep track of your clients' performance metrics. Asana has built-in reporting tools that allow you to generate real-time reports, so you can see how things are progressing and make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts next. And finally, one of the best parts of Asana is its flexibility. Whether you prefer a simple to-do list or a more advanced project management setup, Asana can scale to your needs. It's perfect for consultants working solo or in teams, and because you can adjust the setup as needed, it grows with your business. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Asana completely free by clicking the link below. Plus, you'll get some exclusive bonuses to help you make the most out of your new client management system. So, can you use Asana to manage consulting clients? Absolutely, and with the features I just mentioned, you'll be able to take your consulting business to the next level. Don't forget to check the first link below for your extended free trial to get started today.